Thanks, Your Honor. This is going to be a waiver and a bond violation.
Yeah, it may not be a waiver. He's blowing numbers. Why,
Oh, Your Honor, this was
Mr. Allen?
an honest mistake on behalf of Mr. Hayes. He had company over on May 8th. He blew a .033 on his SoberLink. He's been on a SoberLink since November. And when he was having dinner, the company that he had with him, his friends and family, they had non-alcoholic wine. And Mr. Hayes was unaware that non-alcoholic wine actually can contain some to little bits of alcohol. So Mr. Hayes just wants this court.
You're going to tell me you got to a .03 on non-alcoholic wine? Is that, no, I mean, if that's what you're telling me, go ahead. I just want to make sure I'm hearing what you're telling me.
Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Hayes about this, and the only explanation to this violation was what I just stated for the non-alcoholic wine at dinner. And he wants this court to know that this was an honest mistake. He understands that he needs to do his due diligence and make sure that he's not around any alcohol whatsoever. And he would just like you to know that, you know, he's sincerely apologetic, and he's asking this court if it would allow him just to give him a chance to remain out of custody, continue to test while he's doing
Then tell me the truth.
Judge Simpson, can I address the court, please?
If you want.
I've been testing for a while, and this all started in 2022 when I took it upon myself to Sacred Heart. And I'm trying to get some closure to this. And I had company over, and we had what I assumed was a non-alcoholic wine.
Hold on. You assumed it to be, or it was?
I assumed it to be. So I take.
Well, hold it. There's a big difference. Huge difference.
Well, only what I can say is that she said, "Oh, this is non-alcoholic, so I'm not supposed to drink." She said, "Well, this is not non-alcohol." So when I got the call from Mr. Wells and he said that I have blue numbers, I was shocked. It really didn't taste like alcohol, but I take full responsibility. I apologize to the courts. I'm trying to do my best to comply with what the courts want me to do. I've been 0-0-0 quite some time.
When you test.
Yes, I see Mr. Allen is behind me, so I know what that means. So I mean, I got a lot of responsibility, and I apologize to the courts. I really do, and this will never happen again.
Well, somebody needs to tell me the truth about what it was, because if one counsel got up here and said you were having non-alcoholic wine, but it has some alcohol in it, that's different than it was non-alcoholic wine, or I thought it was, or I assumed it was.
I understand. Well, when I spoke with Mr. Simpson, Mr. Wells, Judge Simpson, he said, "Don't you know non-alcoholic wine contains some alcohol?" And I never knew that. So it's
not to get you to these. How much of this wine did you have?
I had a couple glasses, and I mean, it didn't taste like alcohol, but I mean, I had a little buzz, but I didn't realize it was going to cause me to Mr. Allen to be standing behind me. And
you got. Don't you worry about what Mr. Allen's doing. You got.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Story doesn't add up.
I understand.
Because it's not off it. Why is he getting buzzed off of non-alcoholic wine? I mean, you know what you're doing at some point.
Yes.
Well, if he wants to waive, he'll do it next week.
Understood, Your Honor.
But at this point, defendant's bond is revoked, defendant's remanded.
Your Honor.
I get nervous when you're behind me too. Court calls the case, People versus Jason Foley. I didn't do anything. Yeah, right. No, the forensic center did not sign in for whatever
Your
reason.
Honor, could we have Deputy Allen stand behind the people at the forensic center?
Get. I know. All right. I'll adjourn these out until the 13th.
All right, thank you. Ms. Allen, be ready.
Yeah, now you want to be friends.
Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Tatum, who I'm hoping is appearing on Zoom today.
Tatum? Not checked in.
Your Honor,
Can let out that big sigh, it doesn't matter. They're still not here.
Your Honor, if the court would allow me to pass this matter, I can call him.
Why? No, that only works for Feaster. Why am I? Do you know where your client is? You haven't a clue. Feaster kind of knew.
Your Honor, I
You don't know.
Don't.
Just say I don't know.
don't know where my client.
You don't know? Okay. We'll figure it out. Bench warrant, 10,000.
Is that him?
He's on Zoom?
I know where my client is, Your Honor.
What'd you say?
Yes, on you.
Oh, he finally got here. You didn't know. Don't even try it. All right, I'll take the bench. You need to unmute. You see it? You're on your phone, right?
I think he's
He
frozen.
froze.
Mansour.
Your Honor, I
What?
don't know what to say.
You know, I was having a good day.
I know. I hate to do it to you.
No, you don't. You don't care. Nobody cares. I'll pass it. Can you call him
Absolutely, Your Honor.
and see if you can teach him how to use Zoom and to tell him to get someplace where his Wi-Fi is stable?
I'll do my best. Thanks, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Actually, I might.
You didn't really do a job. That was all luck.
Okay. I was having some phone. I was here the whole.
This is true. Like a blind squirrel finding a nut. You're not, this is not anything you're doing. You're back. Mr. Tatum, state your name.
Devon Tatum. I apologize for that. I've been here. I
No,
was just having
you're
some phone
good.
trouble.
You're good. It's your attorney.
It's my fault, Mr. Tatum. Sorry about that.
All right.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for probable cause conference.
If you ask for an adjournment, I'm coming up to that. No, go ahead. I'm kidding, Mr. Minster.
I'm gonna ask for adjournment, Your Honor.
All right. How much time did you need, Mr. Minster?
To the court's discretion. Not gonna push it.
I know everything is. He doesn't get it. All right. I'm gonna give you some time. All right. June 13th, 2024, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicate. Okay, Mr. Tatum, I'm adjourning your case out about 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
All right. Stay in touch with your attorney and learn how to work that volume thing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Really? Is he out? Is he here? People of the state of Michigan versus Shaquille O'Neal Tubbs.
Nicole, he's on behalf of the people. I had the same question when I started reading this case.
Matthew Mansour,
Oh,
hopefully on behalf of Mr. Shaquille O'Neal, Anthony Hardaway.
wait,
Tubbs.
Tubbs. Yes, you got his full name.
I spoke with him. I've been speaking with him all week. We've been trying to get, of course, we've been trying to get Zoom going.
Tubbs knows how to work Zoom
I don't know, Your Honor.
because he watched everybody in when he was in jail do it for him.
They did it for him.
And then when he was out, he actually did it on his own. And then
Okay.
he showed up here.
He's not on Zoom, is he?
No, he's not.
Wonderful. Okay. Well,
You're just hoping for another miracle, aren't you?
Stalls long enough.
Yeah, that's right.
you know the game plan.
Stalls long enough, it'll be Friday.
Your Honor, if the court would incline to pass this matter or adjourn,
Oh, man.
it would be greatly appreciated.
You know what? Answer. Fine. That's your one.
Bench warrant.
Don't erase it yet. All right. It's Tubbs. Don't erase it. So, all right, I'll pass it.
Thanks.
You're gonna try to call him?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I have to.
Well, you don't have to, but give it your best shot.
I will.
All right. Court calls. Tired, man? No, you stay where you are. Court calls the case People versus Wesley Walton. You're good.
Nicole Hughes on behalf of.
Hello, Your Honor. Meet Berger, supervised by Attorney Jay Bellinger on behalf of Wesley Walton.
Oh. I didn't know he was here. Thought he might be late again. Go ahead.
Unfortunately, I do not see Mr. Walton in this courtroom today.
Bellinger sent you up here to take the hit? Did he?
It's
No,
good
he sent you up here to
No,
take
this has been
that.
planned.
No, he sent you up here to take the hit. Go ahead. He did, didn't he?
No,
Yes, he, oh. Wants to stay.
I'm under oath. He did not.
She wants to stay an intern. So, okay.
I do not see Mr. Walton in this courtroom today. We did call him multiple times and reach out via email.
Okay. That's okay. I keep track, but this one's not on you. This is on Bellinger. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond 10,000, cash surety.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That warrant will issue immediately. You're welcome. Yes, he did. He just took that fledgling attorney and just threw her up there to the wall. Court calls the case. Calls the case. People versus Shaquille O'Neal. Tubbs.
Nicole Hughes on behalf of people.
And Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender, for Mr. Tubbs. Your Honor, I want to thank you and this court to allow me to reach out to Mr. Tubbs. I've made multiple attempts. Not just a minute ago, I was not able to reach him. So thank you.
You're welcome. We actually all knew that this was gonna happen. Before, but no, it's okay. You always gotta give it a shot. Yeah.
Some of us knew it was gonna happen before the case.
Exactly. Well, I knew before the day even started. Bench warrant bond will be set in the amount of 10,000, cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
So wonderful.
Yeah, we'll provide the transportation next time. He'll be here. All right, thank you. Is that everything?
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. 14A stands adjourned. I'm good.